In 1932, Australia did something unbelievable. They sent soldiers with machine guns to fight birds. Not people, birds. And shockingly, Australia lost. This is the true story of the Great Emu War. After World War I, thousands of Australian soldiers returned home and were given farmland in Western Australia. But there was a problem. About 20,000 emus, large, fast, flightless birds, invaded the farms, destroying crops and livelihoods. The farmers complained. The government listened, and then made one of the strangest military decisions in history. In November 1932, the Australian government deployed the military, 2 soldiers, 2 Lewis machine guns, and 10,000 rounds of ammunition. The plan? Eliminate the emus. The reality? The emus were fast. Too fast. The soldiers tried ambushes. The emus scattered. They tried mounted guns. The guns jammed. One officer reported, "If we had a military division with the bullet-carrying capacity of these birds, it would face any army in the world." The emus moved in small groups, dodged bullets, and outran trucks. After days of fighting, hundreds of bullets were fired. Very few emus were killed. Public criticism exploded. The press mocked the army. Politicians were embarrassed. The mission was canceled. The emus? They kept walking. And farming continued, with fences instead of weapons. The Great Emu War is more than a joke. It's a reminder that nature doesn't always obey power. Technology doesn't guarantee victory. And sometimes, history is stranger than fiction. If you enjoyed this unbelievable true story, subscribe for more Today in History, moments you won't believe actually happened.